Namaste guys. In this video, we are going to learn how to make this shape. So I saw this on Reddit and thought, hey, I can make it. So basically, I'm going to talk about this part, how to cut it and make it inside of it. Let's see how to approach it. So click on here, new part. Okay. Select the top plane. Press Ctrl plus 8 for normal skin to the view. Make sure no external references is checked on. Draw a circle here as per your requirement. In my case, 150 mm is fine for me. Press escape key and let's make it here. Go to the features, extrude, thin feature for the thickness, 5 mm. That is the thickness that I will give. And height as per your requirement. In my case, 400 mm is fine for me. Click OK. Now, what I will do, I will select the top plane, click on sketch, and I will draw a line like this. And give it angle as per my requirement, that is 45 degree. Exit the sketch mode. Go to the features, click on shortcut, click on circular profile, select the line, increase the diameter. In my case 50 mm is fine, click OK. Now what I will do, now I will click on linear pattern, reverse the direction. Okay, it's not. Uh, I have to select a plane, so I will select the front plane of my assembly of the part. Increase the distance. I think this much is fine. Let's make it 3. Good to me. Okay. Now I also want something to be placed here. So what I can do? Uh, what I can do? Okay. Exit it. Now click on here new part because this is a new part. And I will select the front plane. Press Ctrl plus 8. Draw the line. Okay. I need one more line that will act as reference. And make sure while making it, no external reference is checked on, else you might face issues. 45 degree. And give it a length as per your requirement. In my case, 215 is fine. Now features, sweat base boss like this, circular profile, actually this, circular profile, select this, increase the diameter, 50 mm, click on thin feature, increase it to 3 mm, reverse the direction. So basically it will be inside of it. Click OK. Select this. Now I will select the top plane. Click here. Draw a circle here. What is the diameter? It's 75 mm. Go to the features. Extrude cut through all both. Click OK. So we got a shape like this. That looks good to me. Exit it. Now what I will do? Linear pattern. Sorry, not this place. Top plane. Compulsory pattern. This one. 3. Okay, done it. And yeah, main thing is I want to make this one. So the cut is made and it's point it out. You can put your gum or whatever you want as per your requirements. Let's make it more little bit more better. And that's a circular pattern as well. Select this face, and for features to be patterned is this one. 4 is fine. Okay. Exit. And rotate, sorry, my bad, pattern, circular pattern, select this, what pattern, this one, how much for, click OK. So yeah, that's how we make this shape. So tell me, what do you guys think? Have you learned something new? So that's for all. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Namaste.